In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can embed an article inside your email campaign. This is perfect for a quick preview that the users can click through to read more. So we just need to add an article block. And now we can click on it to set it up. Okay, in the box at the top, you can see that it's asking for the URL to our article or post. So we just need to paste it in. And here we can choose if we want to use the page description that's available behind the scenes, so the title tag of this article, or we can use AI, which will automatically scan your article and generate something that's engaging to develop clicks. And finally, we have the layout, so a traditional vertical based layout where you have headline, image, description and button, or you can go for a horizontal one, which is perfect if you don't have as much space. So let's leave it on a default and click build. Okay, perfect. We can see that our article has been automatically embedded, and if one of your subscribers clicks on read more, they'll be taken to the full article in question. Okay, that's a quick look at how to embed an article inside your campaign.